Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can convert your Google Docs file into EPUB file. So it's very simple to do. You just have to click on this file in top left corner and then download, and you have all of the options how you can download this file, and one of them is EPUB publication. So you are just going to click on this and it should start automatically downloading, as you can see. So then you can open it. If you are on Mac like me, you can open this with this Books app, and here I can make this screen full screen and I can start reading my document as a book. Okay, so I can close this and you can see all of the books here. You can also find the file in your downloads. So I have testbook.epub file. So that's basically how you can convert your Google Docs file into EPUB. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.